Ublalotak, Kanuit busy. Today is Friday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best. Cooperate with others and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Take a minute and pause the video to form your circle. When your circle is formed, discuss about this picture. What do you see in this picture? What do you think is happening? Talk about how these two little kids are being impacted. Who else do you see in this picture? Also, for younger kids, what do you think what time of the year this is? What season this is? And for older kids and younger kids, does this picture bring any memories? Conclude your discussion with sharing one memory that comes up when you see this picture. Quick announcement. Early out today at 12:15 for every student. Teachers and paras have a training to attend that starts at 12:30, so all the kids leave at 12:15. Indeed, it's a happy Friday. Happy learning!